Rational Team Concert is IBM's solution for collaborative team development, incorporating work item management, source control, build, and collaboration tools into a single integrated platform. In the following set of demonstrations, we're going to show how to create a Rational Team Concert project from start to finish, including creating the project area, defining the team members and their areas of responsibility, importing project source code, defining the project's iteration plan, and even customizing the process workflow and default work items to reflect the unique needs of our team. We'll begin with our Jazz administrator, Jerry, creating the project area. At the administrative level, only basic decisions about the project need to be made: the name of the project area, default process template to be used, and who is responsible for the project. All other project configuration, from defining team members to iteration planning and process customization, is handled at the individual project level. Let's create a new project area. We'll use our existing repository connection for this project, and we'll name this project Temperature Conversion. Give the project a name and a summary of what the project is for. We click Next, and we select a process template that we can use to define the initial process for this particular project. Notice that we have a number of different options here, including Agile processes, Scrum, OpenUp, Eclipse Way, and others. With RTC, you can also create a custom process template, either from scratch or derived from one of these predefined process templates, and use it in future projects. In fact, we'll do just that in a later demonstration. For now, let's choose the Scrum project to use as the basis for this project. Okay, so our temperature conversion project area has been created. Now what we want to do is assign our project leader April. If we scroll down in the project area, expand the Members tab, and click Add, we can search for April in our list of current users. We select the username matching her, choose Select, and Next. Now we define what April's role will be on the project. Since she is basically our project leader and owns the process that will be defined for this project, we'll go ahead and name her Scrum Master. And finish. Now you'll also notice that with this project, a number of initial work items were created that specify the typical tasks that the project leader would perform in order to configure the project area for their unique needs. Since Jerry created the project, these are all initially owned by Jerry. However, since April will be responsible for customizing and configuring the project area, we want to change the assignment on all of these work items to be owned by April. We can multi-select them in the list, right-click, select Change Owned By, again, search for April, and click OK. And now we see that all of these initial work items are owned by April. And now we'll save the new project area that we just created. RTC makes it very easy for team members to connect to the project areas they belong to. Whenever a team member is added to a project, an email can be generated which includes all the information needed to connect to the project area in the Jazz repository. Here we're being prompted to send that email to April. Let's go ahead and do so. The team invitation will contain the following subject line and content. We can customize this if we'd like to, but the important information in this email message are the properties that will be used to connect to the repository for this particular project. We'll go ahead and finish that to generate that invitation. So this concludes the administrative portion of creating a new Rational Team Concert project area. From this point forward, the project leader April controls the configuration of the project. We'll join April in the next demonstration as she receives her invitation to join and begins to configure the project area.